spicy. It's spicy.
But is it, other than spicy, is it good?
It's okay.
Alright, so that's the reaction, people. She always bashes everything I do. Alright everybody, so right now we have these crawfish. What I gotta do? I gotta strip them down with me and I take them out of the shell and curry down in meat, you know. So just stay tuned and watch what we're going with these crawfish. See them big? So these boil already, so the meat actually tender, so we just take it out, season up with the curry and cook it down with the white rice, you know. And that's it. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so we're going to strip them down, take out the meat, and then we curry it up, you know. So just watch. So you see that? That's it right there. Nice meat. Thick.
Daddy's so scared. But that looks so good.
See these people know what is this? An egg from the shrimp. So I cook that too.
Wait, we're gonna eat the... I'm gonna eat.
So this little thing we take out the middle here, because people always say it's like the intestine, and that most time you eat it you get like an upset stomach, so we take that out, you know. Got this one big. See that? See that one the big. Alright, so guess that's it everyone, we done clean up now. So since this already seasoned when it there boil, we just have to put a little bit of meat seasoning and some curry and cook him down, you know? Yeah. Nothing too fussy, you know? So that way I curry up and season up, you know? So basically we just have to add some season now, you know? Some curry. Alright everybody, so we put on the frying pan now. Wait till they warm up, then we cut up a few pieces of onion and thing. You see me? Drop in a frying pan and then we put in this and cook him down, you know. So see it there? Meat's curry up now. Put some meat seasoning and curry in the frying pan hot, so we put a little bit of oil, burn some curry, cook him down. So stay tuned with that, alright? Yeah, thyme, I put some thyme in that too. Wash him off good. I sink, put a piece of thyme and a scallion and a small piece of sweet pepper as well. So heat up his scallion, you know? So the flavor come out of it. Don't need more than that. Small piece of scallion. Small piece of sweet pepper and I'd say we give it your flavor, you know? Yeah man. So right now I put a little bit of oil in my frying pan. Fry up the season and thing, you know? Yeah, so that's a little tip, you don't need not much of it. So a little bit of oil. Burn some curry in the same time so it's speed, you know? So we have put a little tip of curry, a little bit when you know want to cook with too much curry, something will hurt your belly. So with this little bit of meat, we just use a little tip of curry like this, you know, not even a spoonful. Burn him in the oil at the same time. And then we have put in with crawfish meat as well, you know? Throw in the same time make you fry up because we're not cooking no time because meat cook already with just a flavour with the curry and things, you know? Yeah, so right now season of curry fry out in the oil with a little onion, piece of thyme and 2 pieces of sweet pepper same way, you know? And a small piece of scallion same way, see me? Wish you could have smelled this tree food right now. Tell you smell nice. So you burn that little bit and then throw on that, you know? Let me add some water, make him bubble up a little bit and then we can eat. Because this now take long to cook. Chewing in now. Stir it up a little bit and then we put a little bit of water on it, you know. Look at it. Bear with me because me have a record and I cook at the same time, so it kind of not go steady, you know. Not gonna be steady as you have to hold it with one hand and I stir with the other. So bear with me right there. So we're gonna add a little bit of water to him now. Make him cook down, you know. So right now just throw some water upon it, stir him around a little bit more. And then we're going to throw some water in it, you know. So the same plate where we season him, you know. We use that rinse out the seasoning in it. And throw the same seasoned water inside so you have a water flavor a little bit, you know. Not too fresh. I get out the flavor out of the plate inside the frying pan. Then throw a little more water pan in again, you know. A little bit more water so you can cook down a little bit, you know. You know, curry in there, we don't want to take him off too quick, we want the curry cook properly. Yep, see him the people, throw water upon him and him and cook down, you know. Bear with me, I don't have a camera person and I have to move around, do everything with one hand. I work hard and I do everything else with the other hand, so bear with me. Alright, so we'll make that cook down a little bit. Then we'll give him our next peep again, you know. Put a cover upon him, make him cook down. You see me? So I put a small cover upon it and make it cook down little, you know. You don't know. Cover him up, make him go and cook down a little bit and we get back, alright? So stay tuned. Alright everybody, so right now I check on the progress site, see what I go and feed now, you know? So I'm going to cook down right about now, pot of bubble, you see me? Stir him up a little and see what I go and feed. Yep. Now just turn down your fire. Make the curry go and simmer down. Because right now we don't want the meat, the pot dry out too much where to the point where you don't have no gravy for eat your food, you know. So just make it simmer down a little bit and then we can turn him off, you know. So we turn on his stove a little under medium, make him cook down. Curry go and cook out, you know, because curry is something you have to make cook. Or else your belly will pay for it. So this is it. It's cooking down right now. So just make it simmer down a little bit more. And then we come back, give it a taste with some white rice and present, make it look presentable. Where you can see it and see the outcome of it. warm up your taste bud a little bit, you know. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright everybody, so see me now. That simmer down. Almost ready to eat, you know. Look at that. Nice and tender, you know. Just ready for devour it. Oh my, flavorful. Alright, bear with me. I have a baby in my hand. Cooking with one, cooking with the other, and one holding the camera. So please bear with me. Put the cover on it so it can steam, you know. So I'll leave it for the next 5 minutes. I'll come back after and give it another check, you know. So just stay tuned. Alright everyone, so seems like that's about time. It's about that time, people, where the cooking is finally done of our crawfish curry. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, get our white rice, and make this presentable for you guys so you can see what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Okay, so that's the look right there. Pull this one side. So look how nice that looks. So we're gonna have that with some white rice.
I really want some. It looks so yummy. My mouth is about to. It smells so good.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the rice and make this presentable, and you guys can see what we're gonna have and how good it looks. So stay tuned. Alright everyone, so right now she gets on rice. The rice ready. That's white rice. We're gonna eat the curry with. So right now I'm gonna share out. I'm gonna go ahead. That's the right rice right there, as you can see. 3 plates. My wife, myself, and my son right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this delicious crawfish right here, curried crawfish right here. So again, bear with me. I'm doing everything one hand. Here I got the camera in one hand and the spoon in the other to share this food. So bear with me as I go ahead and try to do this. Let me see if I can get this right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and share this food. So that's it right there. We got the rice and the crawfish, rice and crawfish, and rice and crawfish. All right everyone, so I'm gonna get a reaction from my wife here to see how she likes my food. So this is it right here.
What is that?
Is it good?
What is that?
That's sweet pepper.
A sweet pepper looks us?
Yeah, or scallion. I put
Oh,
on.
scallion.
Yeah, that's a small piece of scallion right there. So how is it?
Spicy.
Is it good?
Spicy. It's spicy.
But is it, other than spicy, is it good?
It's okay.
Alright, so that's the reaction, people. She always
Yes,
bashes
good.
everything.
Aye.
Is it good?
Yes, it's good.
Alright. So that's the reaction. it was already spicy since it was a spicy shrimp, the Jamaican shrimp, the spicy one that's already cooked. So I pretty much took it out the shell and did a little bit of curry on there with some white rice. So they can handle spicy food. Spicy food is my best. So that's the reaction right there. Mouth on fire.
Mommy.
So that's the end of the video now, guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our new channel. We have a lot of videos on there. You can go ahead and check them out. We have our different varieties of videos. We have DIYs, family videos and little cooking videos as well. So go ahead and check it out. See you in the next one. Peace.